Alright, you guys, I hope you can see me over there. Today I want to just chat with you guys about, bringing value to the world, helping out others. How can you help out others? You could help out others in different ways, by helping them to cook, helping them to clean, helping them whatever. You could give them some money, but you could also help them by teaching them new skills, new things, how to survive. So today let's talk about giving back to the world, giving back to your society, the people among you, showing them some love, like helping them out with simple things like just showing them how to buy something on the computer, or just doing their bank business, whatever. Help some older person buying some grocery, or just dropping somebody off somewhere else, just giving them a lift, just showing them a nice time, like inviting them home for a meal. This is time for people to give back to the world. So if you're out there, if you're looking at this movie, this is a giving back movie. So it's not about okay, look at me. No, it's about thinking about yourself, thinking about how can you give back. All right, okay. Saying this, what do I have to give back? Well, this is a takeaway. You guys, check the link here below. You will see what I have to give away. I will let you know in some words. It says SFM. SFM Society, SFM Mentors, that's what I have to give away today. Today I want to remind a lot of people that we are living in a digital age. We are like here, and the FI or AI is around the corner. So now you're thinking about digital, and just now it's gonna be like artificial intelligence. So in that gap we are living right now. So what can I give back to people? Well, I could give you an advice, and hopefully you could check it out if you like. You could tap in on it, and you could also be a part of this digital age. So in saying this, all you guys who are working a next kind of job, not really with the computers or the internet, you don't have nothing to do about that. Take a look and think about your future in 5 years from now, in 10 years from now. Everything will be automatic. It's already automatic, because the internet is running like 10, 15, 20 years now. It's going very smoothly now, but it's just getting faster and better. So we need to improve. We need to catch up. We are running behind because the artificial intelligence, they're running ahead. So we're just catching up. So how can you catch up? It's maybe not by yourself, but with the help of others. It's always like this. You need some help for some, people who know what's going on, people who know how to guide you along the line. So if you're looking for a place to start, this could be your place to start. This could be your place where you could tap in and learn about the digital world. Thank you guys for looking this video. I know you have a lot on your mind and you don't have time for this, but take some time, think about it, and I hope to see you on the other side. All right, you guys take care. Okay, bye bye now.